Getting a new machine? Where are we, Miss Megan? Yay! It's so cute. Look at all this old stuff. Look at all this old stuff. Yeah, we're just checking the machine to see if it works. We took a trailer here. Did you sleep well?
I didn't sleep.
Oh. Oh. Oops. That's pretty cool.
Is there a bottle opener?
Oh, that's really neat. Where's the bottle opener? Ooh. This is nice as for a small one. So we got the machine, now we're trying to load it in. What you holding? The booty. The backer. The booty. I hope this is appropriate. Yeah, the booties. All the booties. Yep. I'm sorry, but Rebecca's parents. Eat it. This is really cold. My fingers are freezing. Are we going just, what are we doing? Are we just powwowing? Because I'm freezing.
This is so ghetto. You want a hot box in here? Just sit here. I want one of these and put it in our dorm room. It'd be so convenient.
I'm so tempted to keep it. Because I really want it.
Dude, people are gonna break their backs getting them changed.
This is just so short. The librarian's gonna be like, I thought you were going to get a machine, not a midget.
You smart.
Okay. Becca, can you go
loyal,
put that
you're honest.
around? It's got to be wrapped around this machine.
Jason, can you move your arm for me? Ooh, does not reach. Oh wait, now it does. Okay, it's there.
You got some more room.
That'll be good. It's not going away.
That's fine. So if you get it tight, you can always.
It can't go anymore, but it'll be fine. It's not going.
Okay, let's go.
All right.